are in the parking lot. We're headed to the hardware store. It's a lovely January. Oh no, wait, it's October. That's right, huge snowstorm.
Can't really see. Ah, there's some snow. It's melting fast.
Oh, 6:49. I don't know how they usually just work weekends. Like this has happened to them before during the week.
Yeah.
This was enough for me today.
Sir, how you doing?
Good. I need some rope.
It's getting dark.
This is sketchy. You got a light on that.
I know. I don't know how to turn it on.
It's on.
It's on? Oh, nice.
Alright, this is pretty crazy, huh?
It goes to 50 and then goes to 100.
Alright, where's the 100?
There's 100 right here, 100 up here.
Okay.
Where are we going now, Andrew?
Going back to the hardware store to use a checkbook to pay for our rope.